Alright, I'm up in the hills above Conway today. Really nice decor in this one. Hot tub, great views, sleep 6.
Last rodeo written on my back window. I've never tried this before.
So you've got 2 double bedrooms and 1 twin bedroom, sleep 6 altogether, 2 bathrooms, 1 with a roll top bath, a lovely snug area as well with a real fire, and then an open plan living area next to that. Some really cool decor in this one, as I say, quite chic and sort of a minimalistic style, and a nice big garden with a slide and climbing frame, and that all important hot tub as well, of course. We're about 10 miles south of Conway here. Conway is famous for its castle and has a great selection of deli type food outlets, pubs and restaurants there. Then you've got Llanrwst, more of a traditional Welsh market town, I guess. That's about 10 minutes to the south. Smaller collection of pubs there, but still definitely worth exploring, I think. Let's go have a look inside. Bye.
Bits and pieces from planets that I've never been. I'm fixated on every new shape you're making. Turn brass ring, here I am aiming to please. Comets and asteroids